If Venezuela uses their F-16 fighter jets against the United States, does the United States have the ability to disable these jets? Technically, theoretically, it can, and this has happened to some extent. Let me explain. In 1982, Venezuela purchased 24 F-16 fighter jets from the United States, becoming the first Latin American country to have them. But after Hugo Chavez came to power in 1999, Venezuela's relations with the United States deteriorated. By 2006, the U.S. had banned and cut off the supply of Venezuelan F-16s. Chavez then even threatened to sell the F-16s to Iran. Rumor has it that at least one of them was turned over to Iran for research. So can the U.S. disable these aircraft by inserting hidden software or a remote shutdown? Switch into them? It is true that there have been rumors that the U.S. has inserted so-called kill switches into the exported fighter jets in order to remotely disable them if necessary, but this claim has never been confirmed. In fact, fighter jet export